Hi dear students, I am Ashok Alshala, Assistant Professor of Chemistry, Kakatiya Government College, Hanamkonda. In this video, I am trying to give you a brief idea regarding CPZ examination. This examination is an online test, and that is a CBT. We call it a CBT, computer based test. In these steps, what are the precautions we have to take during the examination? What may be the procedure to write the examination? I'm trying to give you a brief idea. I think it may be very useful to you who are writing the CPZ examination, which is going to be conducted by the Osmania University. Here I'm giving some idea regarding the test pattern, how the test will be there, and what are the things you're going to face when you enter into the examination hall. Let me explain the first. When you go to the examination hall, you have to go to the examination hall at least half an hour before, and after going and taking your seat, the screen will appear like this. And first thing, the screen appears like this, and you have to first thing you have to enter your hall ticket number, that is login ID, and these credentials you have to enter. Then you have to sign in. Then you will get your photo here, your name, and what is the subject you are going to take. Everything will be displayed here. After that, the next is going to be the what to do. See, the next is going to be the, in the test, there are the different colors are used. When the question number having this color, that is no color, you have not visited that question. At least you have not read or you not visited. If it is red in color, you have not answered this question. You are opened that question, but you are not answered. If it is displayed with green, you have answered that question. Then if it is a blue color, you have not answered that question, but have marked the question for review. Sometimes what happens, we opt the second option is right, but you got the doubt, it may be a 4. In that cases, you have to go, this color will be appears. And this is going to be the, these questions answered and marked for review will be considered for the evaluation. Means suppose after final timing, what happens, you are not reviewed but submitted and the time is completed. But even though these will be reviewed and taken as the answers, the question marked for review will not be considered for evaluation, hence no marks will be allocated for the same. See, whenever this mark is there, marked for review, that means you are answered here and marked for review. But here you are not answered, but you answer, you click that it is marked for review. In such cases, these are not valid. And the marked for review status of the question simply indicate that you would like to look at that question. If it is right, here if it is a tick mark is there, you have to review and answer, otherwise it is not valid. And here this is the case, this question is going to be you are answered and marked for review, and you want to, you think that it may be you want to change the answer. Now, how to navigate these questions? See, in this, click on the question number in the question palette right of your screen to give that numbered question directly. Note that using this option does not see your answer to the current question. This I will explain you. See, on the right side of the screen, you will get this one. On the right side of the screen, you will get this one. By clicking the question number, then you directly go to that question and you can answer. For example, if I click 15, the question is goes to the directly 15. And here normally when you click this question number 1, and there is a downward arrow mark will be there, and that downward arrow mark like this, you will get some downward arrow mark also. There will be, and that I will show you while writing this one. And that downward arrow mark, if you click that downward arrow mark, and here if it is a downward arrow mark like this, then the after answering the question number 1, by clicking this downward arrow mark, that goes to the next question. Suppose if you want to go to the any other question, directly you click on that number of the question and it will be appears. Now next is the How to answer this one question? Procedure for answering a multiple choice type question. To select your answer, click on the button of one of the options. And wherever you feel that is a correct answer, you just click on that one. To deselect the answer, suppose if you feel that it is not correct answer, then you click on again on that one, or otherwise you have at the bottom there is you will get this one clear response. To change your chosen answer, click on the bottom of the another option. Suppose for a given question, you wrote answer, you clicked answer as option 1, but after a few seconds, then you feel that it is wrong answer, and answer may be the third one. In that cases, you click on the first option, or you click on this what is called this is a clear response, which is appear at the bottom of the page, and then you go to the another one and click on which is the right answer. To save your answer, you must click and on the save and next button. After answering every question, you have to at the bottom of the page or monitor, you will get save and next. After keeping your answer, you have to every time you have to click on this one, save and next. To mark up the question for review, there is a bottom. At the bottom, you will have another option, mark for review for the next one. To change your answer for a given question already you have been answered, first select that question for answering and then follow the procedure for answering the type of the question. Next, let us see. Here in this way, you will get at the bottom mark for review next, and another one is the clear response. And this is going to be the save next, and another one is the submit. You submit only after the completion of the examination. Only you go on save and next. You have to click only on this one. After completing your examination, and you make use of the 3 hours, that is 90 minutes, you have to make use of it. Even though you answered properly, you make use the entire time, and final only you have to submit this one. Now another one is here. This is the when examination is started, then this is the page it will be appear. Here you will get the question number, and here it is a question, and you have to answer for this one. And at the right side you will get all these question numbers. You can scroll down this one every time your photo, and here you will get what is your name, and also how much time is left also indicated here. And in this way you have to remember that one thing, don't submit unless until this take the completion of the time. Okay, see here, let us take a tour, actual test how it will be. See, I already told you this is the first page on the screen. When you go to the examination hall, you have to write your credentials, your hall ticket number, password, everything is here. After sign in, you will get your photo here, and your name, and here subject name. If you are writing chemistry, you will get the chemistry. If you are writing the physics, you will get the physics or political science, whatever the examination. And that examination here it is appears. Now let us see, after getting sign in, writing all these credentials, then you first sign in. Then after sign in, you will get this page here. In this page, what are there? You can see this one. See the question just now I explained. What are these? This is not visited question, not answered question. You are answered. You are not answered, but you are reviewed for this one. You opted for the review, and this is going to be the question answered, but you want to make review like this. It is already I told you this one. After that, taking this one, see here there are different instructions are there, and this is going to be the downward arrow mark to go the next question. This is upward arrow mark for the other question. And here how to navigate, navigation of the question, save and next. Every time after answering you have to go and save and next, and these are the different instruction I already explained you. Then after taking this, then you go and click here, and you will get the different instructions and different languages. For example, you want to Telugu, you will get here in this box, and here if you want to go previous, you can go. And here after reading this one, you have to click here, like here you click here, and then I'm ready to be begin. Then this is going to be begin your question answer examination. Now after getting this one, see, this is the question, you will question number, and these are the different answer. Here you will get the question. Then what to do is for example, season, you have to whatever the right answer you can. For example, I seasonal I wrote here. Then what you do is save and next. Okay, here you appear, this is the answer. This is answer, that's why you will get the green color. And here you will get the time remaining, that is you will get the 3 hours of time, that is 180 minutes, and its time is going to running out. Then the next question I am giving another answer, and randomly I am giving, then you go and next question. See, this is going to be the green color, and third you have to answer which is not answer. Suppose I want to go any other direct question, you can see here, you can scroll down this one, and there will be a cursor will be there, you can scroll down like this. And for example, if I take the question 95 question number 95, here there is a question is in what is the in English and in also in Telugu. Green Revolution increased mainly the production of. Green Revolution is going to be let us take any one answer, so that you will have the whether it is right or wrong. Just I am clicking on this one, then you save and next. See, okay, suppose here then other one is yellow revolution is related to the what is called as okay, let us take another one is said to be the okay. See here, but I have a doubt whether it is oil seeds or wheat or fish or milk. Okay, I have a doubt, that's why I made it for mark for review and next, and it was went to the next question. You see here the question number 96 is you are answered and marked for review. Okay, now let us take this question. See, which of the following is not direct tax? And let us take one question is let us take this answer, but what to do is maybe answer this one. You can directly click here, that answer will be our own. Otherwise, if this answer is wrong, then you can opt here also clear the response. That means you can write directly click on the answer, or if you want to change, you directly click on that answer, or you can clear this one and you will get this one. Okay, now let us see, this will be I am not answering this one. Now let us see, I want to give the answer later, but I have doubt for this one, then I moved another side, and you can see that question is marked for review, but you are not answered. Here you are answered, but you marked for review. Okay, during the examination, if you want to go for that question, click on directly that question and it will be up here. Okay, then you can answer now, and then suppose if it is this answer, then save next, then it goes to the next, then it is turned into the green. Then okay, in this way you can go for any other question. Let us take this question, and here India claims $250 million. Okay, whatever it is the question, if it is an answer, then you click this answer, and if you click on the save and next, this goes to the next question, 34 to 35. 35 is answered, and 34 is answered, and 35 is now. Suppose if you want to not answered and you want to mark and review, then see here, this is the blue color. Okay, suppose this question I marked and I have doubts, then this one. See the difference between these two. This is answered and you want to review. This will be the not answered but reviewed. This is answered, and this is going to be the not answered and not attempted. And this is going to, this is you viewed but not attempted the question, not answered. Whereas here these questions are said to be what is called as a not viewed question. After completing this time, this is going to be the time after completing, you make use of 3 hours of time in the examination. That's why you simply make use of this time, and after completing that is 3 hours, then only you go and on submit the question. Don't submit unless until 3 hours is completed, and you will notice your time here also. You can notice your time here. That is here it is time is also showing here. That's why don't bother about the time. By looking at this time you can save the button. Then submit this one. After submitting, what you will get here, you see this one. See here how many questions are there, 100 questions, how many answered, 5, not answered 3, marked 1, and answered marked for evaluation is 2. Only here not visited 89 questions not visited. This will be appears after the submission. I hope that this video is very useful who are writing for the examination, and I thank you for watching this video, and you feel that it is useful for the aspirants who are writing the CPZ examination, and you share it this one, and subscribe my channel also if you need, and I will give you more information regarding the CPZ examination. Thank you one and all.